Amazon released a couple of blog posts detailing their new fee structure for 2024. And in today's video, what we are going to do is we are going to dive deep into those new fees. We are going to look at if we are going to need to spend more money as sellers to be able to sell on Amazon, which is actually the case. And you should not be worried about this because all prices are going to increase over the board. You can just increase your prices on Amazon and you are going to be able to transfer this cost to customers. So this is not something that you should be worried about. But we are going to look at each of those fees and we are going to look at how much the price is going to increase. We are going to look at the new fees. I made a video a couple of days ago on one of the new fees, the low inventory fee. We're going to talk a little bit about this in today's video because this is the one that most people were talking about. But we are also going to talk about another video, about another fee, because they actually added 2 new fees and it seems to go under the radar. Most people have not noticed it. We're going to look at this and we're going to talk a little bit about the fee structure, all that stuff. This is what we're going to do in today's video. Before we start, 2 important links in the description. And I'm sorry if my mic was turned on. So first link is going to be for one-on-one coaching. If you need help scaling your Amazon business, you need someone that actually been there, that did that in the past, to actually help you do this. Book a call with me. We're going to build a plan to help you scale and we're going to be in touch until you fulfill this plan. All right. Second thing that you're going to find is the link for the Discord. Start networking now. Ask questions. Answer people's questions. Debate about it. It's super easy. Just go and answer people. Give your 2 cents on the Discord server when people are asking questions or about some stuff, or ask what people think about some stuff. And soon enough, you'll see the same face, and people will start recognizing you, and you'll start making some friends. And it's going to help you scale, but it's going to make this whole journey way more. So yeah, come to the Discord server. Let's network. So let's start. So as I said, Amazon added 2 new fees, all right? The first one is the inbound placement service fee. This is the one that most people are not talking about. And the second one is the one that we talked in the previous video, one of the video of earlier this week. I do not know when this video released, by the way, so I'm not sure. I cannot tell you exactly on which day, how many days ago this video was released. So the other one is the low inventory level fee, all right? Pay attention. You need to pay attention to this, all right? All new fees are not going to be effective, start taking effect on the same days, all right? There's different dates for every single fee, but let's first talk about the inbound placement service fee and something that you need to understand with what Amazon goal is. So basically, Amazon wants to make their fulfillment network as performant as they can, and it is actually the best fulfillment network in the world as of right now, as of today, right? And so they are trying to improve on that, and they want to improve on that so it's even faster to actually deliver stuff to customers, and it is actually cheaper. How do they do this? They do this by making sure that for every product that is on demand, the stock for those products is spread around all around the country, so they can have items close to every single Amazon customer, as close as possible to every single Amazon customer, so they can get stuff delivered same day, next day, or 2 days. And eventually they will start to reduce this as much as they can to make sure that everybody can actually get any item same day, right? If you think about it, this is probably their goal. So they are doing this by, as I said, making sure that every single customer has a potential product that they want to order close to them so it can be delivered as fast as possible. So they are trying to incentivize you to actually help them do this. They want to partner with you, and this is why, because Amazon cannot do this by themselves. They cannot have stock for every single ASIN on their platform because it's just not doable money-wise. And so that's why they partner with third-party sellers, and they want third-party sellers to do certain stuff, right? They want third-party sellers to first be in stock reliably all the time on some ASINs, and this is why they introduced the low inventory level fee, which is gonna get into effect on April 1st, 2024, and we talked about it a lot in 2 videos that released in the past few days. And so basically what it is they want you to have 28 days of inventory. If you want more info, watch the other video. They want you to have 28 days of inventory, worth of inventory at all time on your Amazon account. That's pretty much what this fee is. If you do not have that amount of inventory, you're going to pay that fee, right? This is the first thing. And the second thing is that they do not want you to send your inventory all at the same place, all at the same fulfillment center, because yes, it's easier for you just make one big box or a couple of big boxes, you make one big shipment, you sell it over there, but then they need to redistribute every single unit to different prep centers, and it costs them a lot of money and it wastes a lot of time. And so to make it more, to improve the performance of their fulfillment network, they introduced this fee that is called the inbound placement service fee. So what they are going to do, it's basically a new fee, so that they are going to charge you if you want to send all your units at the same fulfillment center. And they had something that was quite similar in the past, but it's a little bit different. Because how it's going to work right now is that you are going to have the, like on average, it's going to cost like 27 cents per unit for standard sized item, right? And so how it's going to work basically, it's that you are going to be able to reduce this fee, or like reduce it up to like $0, so up to you not having to pay anything, if you actually choose to ship stuff at certain destinations. So if your shipment, they're going to give you the option to actually split your shipments into multiple destinations. And so if you do this, you will not pay the fee on this item. So this is one of the reasons why you want to go deep in stock when you send. And the more this goes, the more you're going to be able to save on fees if you actually go deep in stock. Because if you go deep in stock, it actually makes sense to send more units to other, like to really split your shipment more, because you're not going to actually pay a lot of money to actually to per unit in shipping, right? And we are not even talking about the fees. But if you have like just 5 units and it tells you to send to 5 different prep center, to 5 different fulfillment center, I'm sorry, you're going to pay in shipping. You're going to pay way more in shipping, and you will not be able to reach that benchmark that is 30 cents per pound or 50 cents per pound. So you're going to lose money over there first, and second, you're going to, if you do not split the shipment, you're going to lose money on with this fee, right, which is totally avoidable. So this is the other new fee that is super important, in that, as I said, we see the trend. Amazon wants you to actually go deep in units, right? So then what is new with the FBA fulfillment fee rate? So apparently this fee is going to decrease by 20 cents for standard sized product, and there's going to be an additional 77-cent discount for products under $10. So maybe it's a comeback for people that were doing small and light. I do not know what the fee are right now for anything that is small and light, but it looks like we could get something similar for cheap products. So something worth looking at. We'll see in the next couple of days. So this is going to get into effect on April 15th. By the way, the inbound placement service fee is going to get into effect way before that. It's going to get into effect on March 1st, right? So it's going to be way before that. So we talked about this. Now they have a new thing that is it a new thing? I don't think so. It's the ships in product packaging program. So you get a discount basically if the products can get shipped in its own, like in its packaging. So I don't know, like I don't have a good example around me, but like, you know, sometimes if you ordered like some big items on Amazon, sometimes what they do is they slap a label on the packaging of the product and just ship it like this. They do this for cheap products. They do this for expensive products. I remember I ordered a PC. It wasn't a PC, it was just a PC case. It was not that expensive, but they just slapped the label on the box of that thing. And so you're going to be able to save on that if you are actually able to get into that program, right? So this is going to get into effect on February 5th. What's next? The low inventory level fee, we talked about it. There's going to be some change when it comes to the monthly storage fee. So this is going to offset whatever you're going to have to pay with the low inventory fee. Like this is going to offset this. This is going to offset the low inventory level fee. All right. So it's going to decrease. Basically, it's going to decrease by an average of 9 cents per cubic foot. All right. So and this is going to get into effect on April 1st. So as I said, this is to offset the because they're not increasing everything. Yes, you're going to pay more fee eventually, but as every year it increases all the time. But yeah, it's not too bad. They are decreasing to offset everything that is with that new fee, with the whole new system that they are going to work with the inventory level and stuff like this. This is going to offset this a little bit, all right? And I think this is fair. I do not know if this is enough to really offset the loss that you are gonna, that some sellers are gonna take because of this. But this will allow you to actually go a little bit deeper in stock and paying less in storage. So thanks to Amazon for that, I guess. Yeah, and I already go deep in inventory, so this is actually beneficial for me. And as you should do it as well. You should go deep in inventory as well, because this is how you are actually going to level up your business. Then they are going to reduce the referral fee for apparel products. So anything that is priced under $20, they're going to reduce the fees. It's effective on January 15th, so it's pretty soon. So that's a good thing. And then new service, we do not care. FBA new selection program, we do not care. Supply chain by Amazon, we do not care. And then, yeah, that's pretty much it when it comes to the fees. So, guys, let me know what you think about those new fees. Those two new fees. How do you see this affecting your business? Is it going to affect your business? Let me know in the comments. And do you think that's a good thing? Do you think that's a bad thing? I'm really curious. I personally think that it is a good thing. Like those fees, I really like the way it's set up because it actually benefits me as a seller that is a little bit more advanced, because I already go deep in inventory. And if all these things, if I understand correctly, if that means that I'm going to pay less in fees, it means that it's going to increase my profits. And yeah, so I'm happy with this. I'm happy with this. Let me know what you guys think in the comment. If you want to keep learning about selling on Amazon, by the way, watch these videos that are appearing on the screen right now. And I'll see you tomorrow for a new video. Thank you for watching.